Here we go. 2010 Exquisite Football. I don't have my blade. There it is. 3-box case.
We should eat the trucks tomorrow.
Trucks are fucking golden. Irving, you need to test the trucks, man.
I ate this thing called a crowbar. It was like a hot dog wrapped in bacon with French fries and chili cheese.
Holy
A crowbar.
damn.
Crowbar, dude.
Wow.
I want one now. It's bomb.
Damn, that sounds good.
Alright, we got 3 boxes.
Yeah, bro.
First one is box number 23. And again, like the last 2 cases I've had, there is no circular sticker sealing the box.
Well, no, we gotta move everything out of my fucking path.
Hold on. Dr. JD, did you put the name on? You want the Eagles for who? Who do you want to trade out for him? The Falcons. Falcons out for Eagles.
Falcons
Alright, Falcons out for Eagles. Alright, here we go. Box 1. Good luck.
Oh, good luck, everybody.
Good luck.
Oh, fuck. It doesn't get any bigger than that. Good luck, everybody.
I was too. They were asking me.
You guys were asking who else was it? I was this close.
First card goes to the Panthers. 54 out of 60 are Monty Edwards. Helmet, jersey.
I told her about it. I was like this close to throwing it $600 on that fucking thing. She's like, you're insane. I was like, they got
Hold
paid.
on, I gotta adjust the blog cam a little bit and move you down a little bit, guys. There we go.
I would have took your ass to Vegas.
I got the Jordan, he got everything else.
Panthers.
Oh, I know. A Jordan Auto with that.
That's near mint. Odd. Then we have a dual patch. Here's our number 17 card
Oh.
for the Raiders.
Oh.
Tim Brown dual patch
Sick.
for the Raiders. 2 color and 1 color dual patch.
I like Tim Brown, dude. Notre Dame, dog.
Nice. Nice.
Pretty good.
That's
Timmy.
random.
Yeah, it's a random.
That's random.
That's Rocket Ishmael,
man.
dude.
Hello? There you go, fuck yourself. This fucking bullshit.
Thanks, Chad. I'm leaving. Fine.
Then we got a. Oh, God.
Tim Tebow,
Oh,
fucking
shit.
101.
Oh shit, what'd you do?
Tim
What'd you fucking do?
Tim Tebow, dude.
Oh.
T-Bone Bradford booklet, boom, in your fucking face.
Oh, in your face.
Rams and Broncos.
Holy
There it is.
Shit. God damn mojo.
Who is
everywhere.
Rams and Broncos?
Holy
Rams
crap.
and Broncos.
Oh.
We got Asian JJ and
figure.
Champ Zor.
Go figure.
Dual jersey autograph.
What do
That
you mean
is sick.
JJ got something
That is
nice?
sick.
Right.
9.
No.
9 of 50.
Congrats, boys.
Yeah.
That's
I
nice.
hate you both.
That's a beaut.
Wow.
Anybody want to
See
take a
that,
look?
man.
Go
See
ahead and
that,
enjoy
bad
it.
boy.
Mojo is flying out of here tonight. If that
See that
Bowman's
bad
best
boy.
doesn't fill, oh, dude, we're gonna fucking rank it in, boys.
Oh, that is sick
Oh.
too. That is sick too. Oh my God, who has the Jets? We gotta make a deal. Who has the Jets? J-Train.
What do you got?
Dual auto gold 7 of 10 of Mark Sanchez and Matt Castle.
Ooh,
Oh shit.
Jets and Chiefs, right
Jets
there.
and Chiefs.
This case is gonna be loaded.
Yes,
God
it is. Let's see, boys.
That's
That's just a
nice.
dual.
Check
Base
this
card?
around.
Or dual auto?
Gold autos
Sick, dude.
7 of 10. Castle and Sanchez. Go Trojans. That is
DNA.
nice.
Yeah, you have some B. Loomis DNA on your fucking Bradford.
Here's our rookie auto for the Steelers. 2 color patch autograph. Jonathan Dwyer, number to 120.
That's a really good sign.
That's a bitch card. Hopefully that wasn't the sickest box there was.
Yeah, hopefully.
You open the wrong box first.
Tebow Bradford, really? It's one of those kind of nights, man. I
It
suggest you get in the baseball,
Or-
wherever
or-
it is.
or-
Just
or-
saying.
Hey, or check out a sick ass recap video later.
We got a to be determined Exquisite rookie signatures numbered to 65, card number 158.
Is that
To be
random?
determined. Well, now they might have it now.
They might
We'll have to look and see if they've already assigned a player to card 158. If not, it will go random to hit list teams.
Come on, Vincent Jackson.
Vinny J.
It is Exquisite
Hey, I'll send you the
Rookie
Saucy Clean
Signatures, number to 65, card 158, to be determined. If it's not assigned to somebody already, we'll have to random it. Next, rookie, number to 99. Oh, and it's got a big ass ding on the left corner. 77 of 99, Noel Devine. Noel Devine.
West Virginia.
He made that for.
I don't know where he's. I don't know who he went to.
158 is
Jimmy
Jimmy
Graham
Graham for the Saints. Alright, so 158 is Jimmy Graham. Let's write that on there. Jimmy Graham. That's for you, CLW.
There you go. Is that Larry?
The Saints. What about Noel Devine? Who does Noel Devine go for? Who does this guy get drafted? Undrafted. Alright, we got a random.
I thought he got drafted, dude.
The random.
And the last card is a base card for the Colts of Reggie Wayne, 25 of 35.
Reggie Wayne.
And that is box number 1.
The
Pretty
Tebow,
sick
that was
fucking
nice.
box, man. Just saying. Tebow Bradford
Both
book,
nice.
Mark
Yeah,
Sanchez,
clear.
Matt Castle, do auto.
Both
Peace.
silver and clear.